We're here at a place called Peace and Plenty in Georgetown. From here, we're going to be able to jump on a boat that's going to take us out to Stocking Island. Now, Stocking Island is made famous by a place called Chat and Chill. If you watch any YouTube video out there, Chat and Chill is this place where you can actually take conch and feed it to stingrays as they swim right up and eat it out of your hands. So we're looking forward to it. That should be an experience. Right now, we're just waiting for the boat. And when the boat gets here, we'll be able to jump on and head on out.
So while we're riding the boat over, let's go ahead and talk about where we're at. We're at Exuma, which is in the Bahamas. We decided to take Peace and Plenty's boat over to Stocking Island. And Stocking Island is just across from the Great Exuma. Now, Stocking Island is well known and highly visited. It's got all kinds of different things to do. What we were most excited about, in addition to spending a little bit of time here on the resort at Peace and Plenty, is going over to Chat and Chills. Now, interestingly, from the resort, you had to walk through the water when the tide was high to get over around the corner, but it's a real short hike. Chat and Chills itself is a nice beach bar. You can go there and get grilled food. I would say that it's just okay, but it's a beer bar, and you can sit there and eat it with the seagulls.
Chat and Chills does something unique where they serve sort of like a conch salad, right? So you can go there and the conch salad, I didn't try it, but I've heard it tastes something like ceviche. Now, after they're done making the conch salad, you have all the leftover part of the conch, the part that you wouldn't eat as a human. So they make that available for $10. You can buy a bowl of it. And then right there, you can sit down on the beach and stingrays will come right up to you and eat this old conch guts out of your hand. And it was really weird because they'd come up, they'd eat from your hand, then they'd brush up against the side of your leg.
The conch guts themselves were absolutely as disgusting as you think they are.
Oh, I can feel them. Like, I mean, the closest I've ever come to a stingray is at an aquarium where they let you touch a little stingray with your finger and it swims off really quick. These guys had no fear of humans. It was really cool where they'd walk up, let you pet them. They're just looking for food, and this is probably their primary source of food. So super cool, highly recommend it.
All right, that's feeding the stingray. Thanks for watching today. Be sure to like and subscribe to see more videos like this, and we'll catch you on the next one.